Hi everybody and welcome to the first session on speed mathematics. In the first session over here I'll be showing you a method wherein you can multiply a number with 11. I'll start with a simple example. Let's say I need to multiply 27 with 11. So the idea is to find out how much is 27 times 11. Now watch this, it's a very simple process. All you need to do is, first of all, you'll be simply copying this digit, that's 27, the 7, the unit digit over here. That will become my answer. Next, I'll pair this 7 with its immediately preceding digit, the digit just before 7. So I have 7 and 2, I need to add them. 7 plus 2, that's 9. Finally, there is no digit before 2 which I could pair it with, so I'll simply say 2 over here, and that's it, that's my answer. Okay, let's take one more case. For example, I need to multiply 43 with 11. So 43 times 11, what I do is I'll simply first of all copy the unit digit, that's the last digit over here. That is my answer's unit digit. Next, I'll pair this 3 with its digit before 3, that's 4 in this case. So it's 3 plus 4, I add them. 3 plus 4 is 7. Finally, there is no digit before 3, so the 4 remains as it is, and 473 is the answer I have for 43 times 11. Just to make sure we got it correct, let's take one last example. Let's say I have 81 times 11. What do I start with? Yes, the 1. What's next? Add these two digits, that's 1 plus 8, I get a 9. Finally, there is no digit before 8, so I'll simply copy this 8 over here, and that becomes 891. That's my answer. I guess you are wondering whether we can apply this method to a 3-digit number. Well, you bet you can. Let's take a case. I need to multiply 243 with 11. So 243 times 11, what do I have? First step, the same. I copy the unit digit, that's 3. Next, I pair this 3 with the previous 4. So I have 3 plus 4, that's 7. 4 plus 2, I keep on pairing with immediately preceding digits, that's 6. Finally, there is nothing before this 2, so that gives me a 2, and 2673 is the complete answer I have. Okay, let's take one more case. Let's say 172 times 11. Start with the unit digit, that becomes the unit digit of my answer. 2 plus 7, that's 9. 1 plus 7, 1 plus 7, that's 8. And finally the digit 1 comes up as it is. So it's 1892. Let us take up one last example to reinforce this. For instance, I have 318 to be multiplied with 11. So 8 becomes the unit digit of my answer, 8. What's next? I add this 8 with its immediately preceding digit. So it's 8 plus 1, 9. What's next? Immediately preceding digit, 1 plus 3, that's 4. Finally, do not forget, I'll need to write this as 3 because there is no digit before 3. You can think of it as a 0 before 3, and this is your answer, 3498. Just to make sure you got it correct, and let's reinforce it one last time. Let's say I need to multiply a 2-digit number 35 with 11. What do? I copy this digit, and that becomes the unit digit of my answer. I'll add it to the immediately preceding digit, the digit before 5, that's 3. So I have 5 plus 3, that's 8. And finally, the same digit is to be written over here because there is nothing to add before 3. So I have 385. Let's also take up one last case for a 3-digit number. Let's say the number is 345 and I need to multiply it with 11. Well, here goes. First of all you do is 5. What's next? Now you start pairing them. So it's 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, 4 plus 3, that's 7. I would have added 3 to some other digit had there been a digit over here, but since there is nothing else over here, I'll simply say 3 comes up as 3, and 3795 is your final answer. I hope you enjoyed this session. Do keep coming back for more of these sessions. Thank you from all of us.